are on vacation. You go to a nice restaurant. The waiter comes to your table. You feel a little nervous. What do you say first?
I think I just say hello and smile. But after that, I am not sure.
That is okay. Many people feel that way. But talking to a waiter is not difficult. We use the same sentences again and again.
Really? So I don't need to say new things every time?
No, not at all. Waiters hear the same questions every day. So let's learn those questions today.
Perfect. So I am at the table. The waiter comes. What happens first?
Hi, welcome to our restaurant.
Okay, so I just say thank you or hi back.
Yes, exactly. Then they ask about drinks. They say, "Can I get you something to drink?"
Right, so I need to order a drink. What if I just want water?
Yes, can I have water, please?
Can I have water, please? That is easy. What if I want soda?
I would like a soda, please. Or, can I get a cola?
I would like a soda, please. Okay, I can say that.
Good. Now, what if you are not ready to order drinks? Maybe you need more time?
Oh, that happens to me. I like to look at the menu first.
Then you can say, "Can I have a few more minutes, please?"
Can I have a few more minutes, please? That is very polite. The waiter will understand.
Yes, they will say, "Of course, take your time." Then they walk away.
So now I have time. I look at the menu. But sometimes the menu has big words.
That is true. Some dishes have special names. If you don't know something, what do you do?
Maybe I can ask the waiter?
Yes, you can. Just say, "Excuse me, what is this dish?"
Excuse me, what is this dish? And I can point to it on the menu?
Yes, point to it. The waiter will explain. They might say, "It is chicken with vegetables," or "It is a fish dish."
Okay, so then I understand. Then I can order.
Right, so the waiter comes back. They say, "Are you ready to order?"
So I say, yes, I am ready. Then I tell them my food.
Exactly. You can say, "I will have the chicken, please."
I will have the chicken, please. Wait, that is short and clear.
Or you can say, "I would like the fish, please." Both are good.
What if I want to change something? Like I don't want vegetables with my chicken?
Good question. You can say, "Can I get the chicken without vegetables, please?"
Can I get the chicken without vegetables, please? So I say without, and then the thing I don't want.
Yes, that is right. Or you can say, "No vegetables, please." That is shorter.
No vegetables, please. I like that. It is easy to remember.
Now, sometimes you want more of something, like more sauce or more bread.
Oh yes, I sometimes want more sauce. How do I ask for that?
Can I have extra sauce, please?
Can I have extra sauce, please? Extra means more, right?
Yes, exactly. Extra means more. So extra sauce, extra bread, extra cheese.
Okay, I understand. So now the food comes, but what if the food is cold?
That is not good. You can call the waiter softly, say, "Excuse me."
Then I say, I am sorry, but my food is cold.
Yes, that is perfect. "I am sorry, but my food is cold." They will take it back.
They will bring me hot food?
Yes, they will. Restaurants want you to be happy. They want you to enjoy your meal.
Okay, that is good to know. What if I get the wrong food?
"Excuse me, I ordered the chicken, not the fish."
I ordered the chicken, not the fish. That is clear. They will see the mistake.
Right. Always be polite. Say, "I am sorry," or "Excuse me" first.
So now I am eating. The food is good. I am happy. Then the waiter comes again.
Yes, they sometimes come to check on you. They ask, "How is everything?"
What does that mean?
"It is great, thank you."
It is great, thank you. That is simple. What if something is not good?
Then you can say, "It is good, but it needs a little salt," or "It is a little cold."
It is good, but it needs a little salt. So I say the good thing first, then the problem?
Yes, that is polite. You start with something nice.
Okay, I understand. So now I finish my food. I am full. I want to leave.
Then you need the bill. In some places, they call it the check.
So how do I ask for it?
Can I have the check, please? Or, check, please?
Can I have the check, please? That is easy. Do I need to say anything else?
Sometimes the waiter asks, together or separate? That means, do you pay together or alone?
Nah, if I am with friends, we might pay separate.
Right, so you can say, separate, please, or together, please.
Separate, please? Okay, then they bring the bill. I pay, then I leave.
But wait, there is one more thing. Sometimes you want to say the food was good.
Oh, yes. I want to be nice. What do I say?
The food was delicious. Thank you.
The food was delicious. Thank you. That is a nice thing to say.
Yes, the waiter will be happy. They like to hear that.
Okay, let's practice all these sentences together. I want to remember them.
Great idea. Let's start from the beginning. First, the waiter asks for your drink order.
Can I have water, please?
Perfect. Or, I would like a soda, please.
Then if I need time, I say, can I have a few more minutes?
Yes, then when you order food, say, I will have the chicken, please.
And if I want no vegetables, I say, no vegetables, please.
Good. Or, can I get that without onions?
Can I get that without onions? Okay. Then if I want more sauce, I say, can I have extra sauce, please?
Excuse me, I ordered the fish.
Excuse me, I ordered the fish.
Then at the end, you say, can I have the check, please?
And if the food was good, I say, the food was delicious.
Yes, you have all the sentences now. You can do this.
I feel more confident already. These sentences are not hard.
They are not hard, and waiters hear them every day, so they understand.
Okay, let's do a quick recap of the most important sentences.
Good idea. So today we learned 3 easy sentences for the restaurant.
What is the first one?
Can I have a few more minutes, please?
That is for when you need time with the menu. Second sentence?
I will have the chicken, please.
That is for ordering your food. And the third sentence?
Can I have the check, please?
Perfect. Those 3 sentences will help you in any restaurant.
And remember, you can change the words. Chicken can be fish, water can be soda.
Right, so you learn the pattern, then you change the words.
Exactly. That is how you build confidence.
This was very helpful, Lucy. I think our listeners will feel more ready for their next restaurant visit.
I hope so. That is why we make this podcast. We want to help you feel confident.
If today's conversation helped you feel more confident, please follow our podcast.
Yes, please follow us. When you follow, it helps our channel grow. Then we can help more people.
And when you listen often, your English improves little by little. Every episode gives you new sentences.
We are happy to practice with you every day. Keep listening and keep practicing.
You can do this. We believe in you.
Thank you for listening today. Have a great day, and we will see you next time.
Bye for now.